Good morning, children. In the previous session, I was explaining you the chapter An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. And today we'll continue with the same chapter. In the last session, we read that Kalpana Chawla was born at Karnal in Haryana. She married John Pierre Harrison. She was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land planes. She achieved her another target in her life. She applied for NASA Space Shuttle program, and in 1994 she was selected as an astronaut there. Okay, students, now let's start the next part of the chapter. Para 4. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else, and I followed them. And people who were around me, fortunately, always encouraged me and said if that's what you want to do, carry on. Pursuing means carrying out. Fortunately means we all know, luckily. Encouraged means inspired. Okay, students, Kalpana Chawla was an extraordinary woman. She said that she just followed her dreams and remained optimistic throughout her life. And in our life, we should also learn this. We should also follow this. We should always be optimistic. Then only we will be able to achieve whatever we want in our life. And that is why she is an inspiration for everyone. She told that she was encouraged by everyone, and that is why she was a successful woman. Next para. Kalpana's first space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. Crew means group of people who work on an aircraft. Pollinating means fertilized by transferring pollen. Kalpana's first mission in Columbia was of 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. She was with 6 crew members. One of them was Japanese and one of them was Ukrainian astronaut. All total there were 7 crew members. And in this mission, She, along with her crew members, went around the 252 times, and she traveled 10.45 million kilometers. They also conducted 80 experiments. They checked that if it is possible or not to grow food in the space, or how to make strong metals, or how to make faster computer chips, and all for a price tag of about $56 million. Next, on the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. A journalist wrote, "She was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything, from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring." Glued means stuck. Enormous means great or huge. Awe-inspiring means amazing. Achievement means success. In this para, we get to know about the disaster, Columbia disaster. The news of her second mission of Columbia disaster made everyone shocked and disturbed. The people of Karnal, they were very restless after getting the news of the accident. They all were stuck to their television so that they could get some good news, so that they could get the news of survivor of Kalpana, but they did not get any good news. A journalist called her a heroine, and we all know that she was really a heroine. She had an enormous encyclopedic knowledge in each subject that is greatly required for becoming an astronaut. She created history, and she became inspiration for many people. Her life shows us that dreams can be true. If we have dedication towards our goal, we will succeed in our life. Next para. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. In a message that she sent from aboard the space shuttle Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey." There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. Inspiration means someone that people admire and want to be like. Vision means plan the future with imagination. Fulfill means accomplish. Students, the life of Kalpana Chawla really becomes inspiring to everyone, especially for the girls. She herself was a girl who touched the sky, and that is why, through a message sent by her from aboard from the space shuttle Columbia to the students of her college in Chandigarh, she said that the path from dreams to success does exist. One needs to have the vision to find it and the courage to get onto it, and success is possible. And she herself proved it. She is really, really very inspiring. Okay, students, now tell me, what lesson do we get from the chapter? From this chapter, we get to know that to achieve our dream, to fulfill our dreams, we have to work out hard. We have to be optimistic all the time. Every time we should be optimistic. And we also have to be dedicated. And if we do this, then success is not far from us. And we have an example of Kalpana Chawla. She was optimistic, she was dedicated, and that's why she was successful also. Okay, students, we have completed the chapter. Now it's your turn to go through the chapter properly. In the next session, you will get the question answers, word meanings, everything. Thank you.